The copy command includes an array option that enables you to create a linear non-associative array. After selecting the objects to be copied, you enter the number of copies you want to make, and then either enter the distance between each copy or fit the copies between two specified points. For example, in the exercise file, suppose you wanted to place additional copies of the filing cabinet along the wall. Start the copy command by clicking the Copy tool in the Modify panel of the Home ribbon. When the program prompts you to select objects, use a window selection to select all of the lines that comprise the file cabinet, and then right-click to complete the object selection. The program now prompts you to specify a base point, and if you look in the command line, you can see that you are currently using the multiple copy mode. Use the Endpoint Object Snap to select the lower left corner of the file cabinet as the base point. Once you do that, the program prompts you to specify the second point. Now, you could make multiple copies by repeatedly clicking to place each copy, but there is an easier way. In the command line is the Array option. Right-click and choose the Array option. The program then prompts you to enter the number of items to array. Say that you think that you might be able to fit 5 filing cabinets along the wall, so you type 5 and press Enter. Now, the program is prompting you to specify a second point. Notice that there is also a Fit option, so you can either specify the distance between each copy, or if you were to choose the Fit option, you could then fit the specified number of copies between two specified points. In this case, use the default method, which is to specify the distance between each copy. You can see a preview image of the 4 additional copies, and as you move the mouse, you can see that the alignment and distance between those copies changes. Move the mouse until it is over the lower right corner of the filing cabinet. Here you can see that the copies are now aligned with the wall, and that each copy starts at the end of the previous filing cabinet. With polar tracking enabled, you can lock the cursor into a 0-degree polar alignment. And now, if you move the cursor a bit, you can actually add some space between each copy of the filing cabinet if you wish. You can also see that you guessed wrong. You can actually only fit 4 filing cabinets along the wall. Press the Escape key. Rather than ending the command, the program simply returns to the previous prompt. Now, you can right-click, choose the Array option again, and this time type 4 and press Enter. Then, move the mouse until the cursor is over the lower right corner of the file cabinet so that you see the Endpoint Object Snap tooltip and glyph. As soon as you do, click to place the copies. Notice that because you are using the multiple copy mode of the copy command, the command is still active. To end the command, you must either press Enter or the Escape key. Also notice that each copy of the filing cabinet is still made up of individual objects. As you move the cursor over any line within the filing cabinet, you can see that each is an individual line object.